inna the ear, hand inna the ear, hand inna the ear, hand inna the ear.
Put your hand inna the ear and praise him. Put your hand inna the ear and praise him. Another round of applause for the legendary Roy Rayon. That was Jamaica Festival song at 60. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you missed the big news, the National Stadium will be moving to the next level with a major development. This 3-year project will make our National Stadium one of the best in the region. Here's a sneak peek at what our new National Stadium will look like. Wow is the word. Truly impressive. Speaking of impressive, our next presentation will keep you on the edge of your seats. We welcome Senior Superintendent Dennis Brooks of the Jamaica